Hi everyone, we have a special guest today, Kiran Kondreddy, UiPath MVP for 2024, and he's from Hyderabad. Hi Sai.
Hi everyone.
So how is your experience in developer conference?
Yeah, it was very nice meeting all the folks from different regions and all. And also, we have been packed with so many exciting news related to the UiPath products that was from different speakers as well as product managers and all. Yep, it was very nice having a networking and knowing something new about all these products and all. Yep.
So how you are feeling about you? Can you tell me in a short span how is your journey in UiPath community or RPA community?
So I just started my career working in UiPath from 2016-17, where I've been communicating or been networking with all the events across Hyderabad or different regions and all. And as we know, I've been starting attending your organizing or like attending events that was done in the Hyderabad region as well as Vizag, Bangalore and all. From the last couple of years, I thought of giving back to the community. That is where I've started my journey by just providing some videos in terms of YouTube, writing some blogs, having some sessions, connecting to the young minds in the colleges and all. So that is where I've been contributing myself, and this is the year where I've been awarded as an MVP for contributions across the community.
Hearty congratulations for that and all the best for 2024.
Yep. Thanks a lot. Happy autumn.
Thank you.